So my name is Andy, and I live in Sydney, Australia. I recently turned 19 at May. So my e-commerce journey before Andy was really like inconsistent. I was really confused on where I should put my time into, where I should put my money into. And once I found Andy, and he helped me guide me through e-commerce, and it helped my journey and speed up my process and helped so much. My problems before meeting Andy in e-commerce was just consistently finding winners, like knowing where I should put my time into. I chose to work with Andy because I saw his testimonials from other students. I knew that if they could do it, then I could do it as well. So I just enrolled to the program. What I liked most about Andy's program was that it's a step-by-step guide about all the steps that you need to do well in e-commerce. And they're set up so well to the point where anyone can start e-commerce. He made the course for anyone, like anyone can do it, you know? So my e-commerce journey now with Andy is crazy. Like I've learned so much in a short time period. The group calls we have and just the value that Andy gives and the time he puts into the students is just crazy. So with Andy's help so far in the past 3 months, I found a couple winners and I scaled them all up into 10K revenue in 3 months. So net profit was about 30 for some stores or 40 for some stores. I had 3 stores, so it was about like 35, I reckon. With Andy's program, I think I hit my first sale on my new store like 2 weeks joining Andy's program. I found a couple winners here and there, and hopefully this new one I found is gonna do big numbers. I didn't have any fear in joining because I've watched Andy's videos on YouTube for a couple like months now, and I knew that he provides so much value. I had nothing to lose. I took Andy's course and I haven't really bought any other courses, so I can't really compare. But Andy's courses is really crazy. Like he gives a step-by-step guide on what you need to do in e-commerce, no matter what journey or what stage you're up to. He has something for you to like work towards, you know? Join the program, like there's nothing else to lose, you know? Like the group we have, the group calls we have, it's just priceless, you know? You learn so much.